Hi, I'm Carla DiMattina from Ritam Studio. Let's do a short upper up body workout. Let's come down onto our knees and let's sit back into child's pose. From here, your seat to your heels, reaching your arms forward, lengthening through your spine. Let's sweep the right arm back behind us. Now we're going to come forward and we're going to lift the arm, follow it, look at it. Bring it in front of your left hand so they'll be in this position. Bend your elbows and come back. Sit back to child's pose. Sweep the left arm back, lift it and follow it. Bring it in front of the right. Bend both elbows, come back to center and sit back. Sweep the right arm back, lift it up. Bring it in front, bend the elbows and sit back. Sweep the left arm back and lift. Follow it, get that stretch on the side body, then get the strength through the upper body. Sweep back one more time each side. Last one on the left. Come back to center on your next one. Push through the feet and the shins, tuck the tailbone, round the spine, come all the way forward. Hold here where your shoulders and your knees are in one long diagonal line. Curl your toes under and slowly bend your elbows. We're going to go really slow here. We're making our way to the mat. Try and control it. You might just collapse halfway through and that's fine. Go all the way down and hold. Reach the arms just a little bit more forward. Open up through the chest, then lower the chest back down. Push through the palms, draw in through the belly as you get that nice length through the front of the body. Working through your arms here, lifting and lowering. Don't go too fast. Nice steady pace. Let's take 4 more. One more, hold it at the top. And then slowly lower down. Bring your arms forward, reach them ahead. Lift your arms and your legs here. Everything is lifting. Now you're going to lift your left hand, your left arm, your right leg, both of them a little higher. Then switch the other side and then switch. So we're going slow. It's a slow swimming movement here. When we lift the hand, it's coming from the shoulder blade. It leads the lift. Draw in through the belly as we lift and lower. Feel that through the whole back side of your body. Posterior chain. Connect your shoulder blades. Let's go 4 more each side. These are hard. Take a rest if you need. 1 more each side. Both of them up. Everything up. Sweep the arms back. Hands by your shoulders. Curl the toes under. Lift up and come to your down dog. Bend your knees. Lift your hips up high. Then lift your heels and hips and roll and ripple your body forward to your plank. Hold your plank here. Take your hips over to the left and then over to the right. Push the floor away from you. Really using your palms into the mat to connect to your shoulder blades. And then we're doing a little oblique work, side to side. So even though we're focusing on the upper body, you can see, can't really do one completely in isolation. We're always connecting through our feet and using our core. Take 1 more each side. Come back to center and hold. Drop your knees down. Let's go for another one of those slow bends. Elbows bending into your side of your body. Take your body down slowly. Keep your butt in line. Don't let it stick up to the ceiling. Lower all the way. Open the chest and then sit back onto your butt. Cross your ankles and then bring your legs forward. You're going to push through your feet. Take your hands behind you. Lift your hips up and hold. Let's bend your elbows and straighten. Let's do 2 more. Then on your next one, lower the butt. Reach the arms up. Sweep them forward. Reach. Then pull them back past your hips. Bend the knees. Lift the hips up. Let's bend for 3, 2, 1. Drop your butt. Lift your arms up. Reach forward. Keep a bend in the knees if that hurts your back. Sweep the arms back and then lift up. Again, bends of the elbows working through your arms here. Then drop the butt. Lift the arms up. Reach forward. Sweep it back. Let's go 3 more. Bend, butt up, drop the hips, lift the arms, reach forward and stretch, sweep them back, butt up, let's go. 2 more. Butt drops down, arms lift up, reach forward, sweep them back, last one, hold it up. Pulse for 3, 2, 1, now hold. Push your palms into the mat, lift the hips up, and then slowly lower the butt down. Cross the ankles this time, roll forward over the legs, come onto your elbows, your forearms, take the legs back. You're gonna hold plank here. Push the heels back and expand through your collarbones. We're gonna just stay in this forearm plank. Keep working here through your shoulder blades. We wanna work at trying to draw your elbows towards each other. Feel the difference in your shoulder blades when you draw them in towards each other and spread open through the collarbones. Push the heels back and hold. If you need a break, just drop your knees. Let's take 3 more breaths. Stay with it, stay with it. 1 more breath. Great job. Slowly lower the knees. Sit your butt back to your heels. Now sweep the right arm back like we did at the beginning. Reach it forward and then just sit back into the child's pose. Other arm lifts up. Nice sweeping motion and come back. Let's take 2 more each side. Big reaches, really open through the side body. Let's do 1 more. On your next one, stay deep in that child's pose. Let your chest melt down to the mat, your forehead down to the mat. Lengthen from your fingertips to your tailbone. Take 1 more breath here. Then slowly round the spine to come to all fours. Open the chest. Do a few cat-cows here, rounding, looking to your belly and opening. Let's do 1 more. And open. Let that go and come to a seated position. Great job, guys. If you want to join me for more classes like that, come to ritan.studio. You can learn all about my chain movement system and have longer format classes like this.